how does this go from this to this? I'm building a new PC for my dad so he can play the latest flight simulators, as his current PC is 13 years old. Now this build project is particularly important to me because it's for my dad and he's passionate about aviation, where he spent almost 40 years in the Royal Air Force and flew in numerous aircraft, including the Hawker Hunter, Canberra and the mighty English Electric Lightning, an aircraft that could go twice the speed of sound and had such a power to weight ratio that it could exceed Mach 1, that's the speed of sound, in a vertical climb. So for this project I purchased the following items: a Z790 motherboard, 32GB of DDR5 RAM, an Intel processor, a 4070 Ti graphics card, a Corsair power supply and a Fractal case. For those of you who are interested, I've added links to these components in the description below. So with the items purchased, this is how I put it together. So that's it, the PC is built and overall I'm very happy with how the build has gone. The PC switched on first time, I've put on a clean installation of Windows 11, so all that's left now is to set up the new monitor I've purchased, purchase and install Microsoft's latest flight simulator, then put all of this together and set it up for my dad. Well, this is it, Dad, your new PC. It's an Intel 13600K processor. It's got a 4070 Ti graphics card, 32GB of DDR5 memory. It's got a 2TB FireCuda SSD. In summary, it's a new flight sim PC. And what I've done is I've already installed Microsoft's latest flight simulator, but I haven't tried it yet. So should we fire it up and give it a try?
Sure. Yeah, I look forward to it.
Great, let's give it a go.
Golf Sierra. Northold approach Alpha Sierra X-ray Golf Sierra 500 feet.
Big Ben.
Very good, well done. That was good.
So I know you've only been using the PC for a short time, but so far, what do you think of it?
Oh, a simple word, stunning. I love it. It's really good. And I put on, just really feeling my feet with the flight simulator you put on. I've added Dave Garwood's freeware Hunter, which is superb. And the graphics are just out of this world. It's just almost as if you are there on the spot.
Yeah, I must admit, I'm really impressed with the PC. And particularly just how good the graphics are and how smooth using the PC is altogether. So the big question is, are you happy with it?
I'm more than happy with it. There's just so much to explore with it. It is fast, it's smooth, and I'll have hours of fun, not just with the flight simulator, but other areas I can explore.
Great, well I'm really pleased to hear that. And I hope you like watching this video too. If you did, please let me know in the comments below. Or if you prefer to see more flight simulator footage, let me know that too. Meanwhile, thank you for watching and make sure you subscribe below so you don't miss future videos where I'm planning on adding a VR headset to this build, and hit that like button. And then check out these videos. And I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.